Stop risking your night drives. Choosing the best aftermarket headlights can make or break your safety. Most drivers totally ignore this critical upgrade. Are you one of them? Discover how the right headlights can transform visibility, style, and road confidence. Don't get left in the dark. Best aftermarket headlights can change everything. Let's start. Number 5. HW Star delivers a game-changing upgrade with their 7-inch LED headlights, designed for unmatched brightness and safety. With 1000% brighter anti-glare illumination, 10,000 LM high-low beams, and a perfect Z-shaped beam pattern, these headlights eliminate blind spots while never dazzling oncoming drivers. DOT approved, IP67 waterproof, dustproof, and impact-resistant. Each heavy-duty 4.63-pound unit ensures durability and long lifespan. Plug-and-play installation, modern aesthetics, and stable illuminance make HW Star headlights a must-have for performance, safety, and value. Number 4. AmeriLight for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram delivers a stunning upgrade with its polished black switchback LED projector headlights. This premium set fits both driver and passenger sides, OEM or non-OEM models, offering 35-watt LED brilliance that meets DOT and SAE safety standards. Waterproof and durable, installation is a breeze, direct replacement, no modifications needed. Perfect for performance, style, and visibility. These headlights elevate your truck's look while maximizing safety and reliability. Experience instant attention-grabbing lighting and exceptional value with AmeriLight today. Number 3. LX Light 7-inch black LED headlights plus 4-inch fog lights are a game-changer for Jeep Wrangler owners, combining sleek design with top-tier performance. DOT and E-Mark approved, these lights are fully road legal while delivering an astonishing 4,500 LM high beam and 3,200 LM low beam per headlight, plus 1,800 LM per fog light. Waterproof and built with durable aluminum housing, they guarantee over 50,000 hours of reliability. Easy plug-and-play installation, anti-flicker EMC function, and broad Jeep compatibility make them a must-have upgrade for safety, visibility, and value. Number 2. PartSam Eagle Eye Headlights H6054 LED 7x6 5x7 redefine driving safety and style with unmatched precision. Featuring a unique bald eagle-inspired design, DRL, sequential turn signals, and anti-glare beams, these DOT-approved headlights deliver superior low and high beam illumination. Built with anti-UV polycarbonate lenses and durable aluminum alloy housing, they promise long-lasting performance and heat dissipation. Easy to install with H4 plugs, they elevate vehicle aesthetics while enhancing visibility, safety, and durability, making every drive bold, confident, and eye-catching. Number 1. DNA motoring black housing headlights are a game-changer for Ram 1500 to 5500 owners. Designed for 2010 to 2018 dual or quad headlight models, these plug-and-play replacements feature 9005 high and H11 low beam bulbs, not included, delivering crisp, powerful lighting for safer night driving. With a durable black housing, clear corners, and direct OE fitment, installation is seamless. No drilling required. Perfect for replacing worn headlights or upgrading your truck's look. These headlights offer enhanced visibility, long-lasting performance, and style that instantly elevates your ride.